Wildfire emergency alert from Josephine County Sheriff. Level 2 be set to evacuate for Savage Creek Road. Be ready to evacuate at a moment's notice. Act early if there is any reason you might need extra time. Leave right away if you feel you are in immediate danger. If conditions change quickly, this may be the only alert you receive. There is significant danger in your area. Be ready to leave at a moment's notice. Do not call 911 unless experiencing an immediate life safety issue.